The perfect temperature, safely cooking ham.
Welcome to our quick guide on safely cooking ham. In this video, we will talk about the internal temperature of a fully cooked ham and how you can measure it accurately. Remember, safe cooking is healthy cooking, and understanding the right temperature is essential.
What is the safe internal temperature for a fully cooked ham?
The safety of your ham, and any meat you cook, largely depends on the internal temperature it reaches during the cooking process. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, a fully cooked ham should reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 63 degrees Celsius, to ensure that it is safe to eat. If you're reheating pre-cooked ham, you want to aim for an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 60 degrees Celsius, if the ham was packaged in a USDA-inspected plant. If you're unsure about the packaging, heat to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 74 degrees Celsius, to be safe. Remember, these are the temperatures that your ham should reach at its thickest point, which is often in the center of the ham.
How can I accurately measure the temperature?
To measure the temperature of your ham accurately, you'll need a meat thermometer. A digital instant red thermometer can provide the most accurate and fastest reading. Here's how you can do it. 1. Insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the ham, avoiding any bone. This is because the bone can give a different temperature reading than the meat. 2. Wait for the thermometer to provide a reading. This can take a few seconds to a minute depending on your thermometer model. 3. Ensure that the temperature has reached the safe internal temperature for your type of ham as stated earlier. Always remember to clean your thermometer with hot soapy water before and after use to avoid cross-contamination. So, there you have it. You now know the safe internal temperature for a fully cooked ham and how to measure it. Remember, 145 degrees Fahrenheit for freshly cooked ham, 140 degrees Fahrenheit for pre-cooked ham from a USDA-inspected plant, and 165 degrees Fahrenheit if you're unsure about the ham's packaging. By accurately measuring the temperature of your ham, you ensure not only a delicious meal but also a safe one. Happy cooking!